Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. The viewers in front of me, Pixel tablet, and now I'm gonna show you how to disable or how to enable bubbles messages in Messenger Facebook. So I'm gonna show you how to disable it right now, but if you wanna enable it, so you need to do the same, but now disable tumblers and enable, okay? So cool. Let's start. Let's start with the Messenger application. So the first thing we need to change is to open the Messenger, then click on the three lines button, so function button, and click on the settings. Then scroll down and you need to disable or enable the Google Chat heads. So click on it, click go to settings if you want to enable, for example. Then scroll down, find here Messenger, and you need to enable it here. If you want to enable bubbles, if you want to disable, so you need to disable display over the apps, and in Messenger disable the chat heads. Cool. Then you need to open the settings, then open notifications, scroll down and find bubbles here, and disable allow apps to show bubbles future. That's great. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.